Here I have iPhone XS Max, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, choose wallpaper, and here you've got your wallpaper that you've got on your screen right now. You can choose a new one by tapping this option, and here you can use dynamic stills on live. Let me choose live, for example the following one. So you can now choose the perspective, live photo or still. Let me choose the live photo, tap set, and you can use it for your lock screen, home screen, or for your both screens. In my case, let me use it for my lock screen. That's it. Now let me go back, and as you can see, if I press the power key, I can see the new wallpaper in front of you. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.